Hello everyone, Steve here. Welcome back to Cryptic Woodworks. I've got a nice surprise in the shop today because this big square box showed up. And this is something that I've been waiting for a long time. And I think myself and many people have also been waiting for this. This is from Brady Whitney at Arcane Concepts. And if you're aware of what Arcane Concepts is now, this is actually the original Kickstarter for the Codex Silenda. So I've talked to Brady a little several times, over the last many years. I even looked up that I kickstarted this in August of 2016. So I know Brady's had a long and interesting journey of bringing this to fruition, and quite an amazing journey too. I know he started out, working a full-time job and building the Codex on the side. That was in Connecticut, getting started in a little tiny kind of garage workshop. That wasn't big enough, so then he headed over to Iowa, where he was built onto his family's property, was working out of a shop there. And now he's actually just moved up to Minnesota and finished building out a new shop. Has plenty of employees, a lot of lasers, a lot of space going on. And I'm just, really amazed at what he's been able to do over these last couple of years. I know it's been a long time waiting for a Kickstarter, but I think he's done just a wonderful job getting there. So that's enough intro. Let's have a look at this. All right, here we are. 4 years in the waiting. See, we've got some nice notes here. He's got like a little bit of a hint book. He's got the Codex book here. He's got a nice cover sheet here talking about the story behind it. This book does have a whole story that goes into it. Yeah, let's see if we can't free this. Here we are. This is an original Codex Silenda. This is actually, I knew that they were getting pretty big on him, but I kind of wasn't aware of the size until it was really in front of me. So this is a very large puzzle that he's gone and built. As you can see, it's got an iris on the very top here, multiple pages. What will happen is that as you solve each of these using this piece here, this will open up like a book, and there's a whole story and a whole process to go through and solve this entire thing. So I'm really looking forward to getting in here and digging into it myself, finding the solution. This is something where I could have gotten the actual plans for this and gone and cut it myself, but that would have taken away from the solving process, and I really wanted the chance to go in here and solve this myself and understand exactly what he had built. So definitely really looking forward to that. So I know this is Brady finishing up the last of the Kickstarter campaign from all those many years ago and getting the last of these books out. I know he has some other things coming. Don't ask me what. He hasn't told me anything about those. But yeah, I really wish him the best as he gets on to the next phases of his puzzles. I think he's actually going to continue to produce these, but through a third-party manufacturer, so that these wonderful books can be sent out to other people, and still available. So that's it. I'm not going to do a solving video here. I think there's already one or two of those around the internet. And I don't want to, contribute to many more of them. So I am just going to look forward to, if I know Brady's probably spending several nights at least in here trying to solve all the different puzzles in this book. So anyway, I hope you liked this little unboxing and you learned a little something about Arcane Studios. If you're interested, I'll make sure that his link is down in the description so you can get over there and see what else he's doing. As always, stay dusty.